Old Vincenzo here to remind you to like, subscribe, and share. That's very important. Hit that bell notification like you see right there above to get all the latest breaking news and coin updates right here first.
Vincenzo'S Go Crypto.
Crypto investing on this afternoon update here. You can see the price of Bitcoin has continued to rise beautifully off the lows that it bounced off of yesterday, right? And before we get into this, Bitcoin stablecoin supply ratio is approaching a buy signal. On-chain data shows that the recent trend in the Bitcoin stablecoin supply ratio may suggest the crypto could see a buy signal soon. Bitcoin stablecoin ratio RSI 14 is near a buy signal, as explained by an analyst in Crypto Post. Whenever the SSR RSI has gone below a value of 25 during recent years, the crypto has observed a buy signal. Don't get caught up in that though. That's been in bull markets primarily, right? So you got to use that. You can stay extremely oversold for an extreme amount of time. The stable coin, but it is something to note. It is an indicator that measures the ratio between the market cap of Bitcoin and that of all stable coins. As their name implies, stable coins are quite stable in their value, although some of them aren't, as they depeg from the dollar when you get stuff like the Luna Terra stable coin and other such ones, fiat currencies, right? So this is something to look at. It looks like whenever the RSI 14 has attained value above 75, the price of crypto has observed a sell signal, while the metric reaching values lower than 25 have acted as a buy signal, right? So that's something to take note of. At the time of writing, Bitcoin was at 19,000, down 7% this weekend. But as we know, and as we were expecting the Bitcoin price to have some kind of a bounce today, possibly, and you can see if we do this quick update from the 4-hour time frame, you can see we hit the old all-time high, went below it a little bit, and now we're uptrending. But I would watch out for is to see if we do something similar to back there, where we get sort of a rising channel, sort of like this, right? And then we get your upper resistance, sort of like this, and we form another bear flag, right? And if we're going to form another bear flag, your technical target on a future possible bear flag would be from the top to the bottom to the point of a breakout, and that gets you down here below, breaking down below that 19,000 all-time high. So that's something we're going to watch out for Bitcoin. The upper resistance, like I've showed you on my Twitter at a glance, is at 23,140, right? And then this is the bear flag we're going to watch out. The first moving average is the 50 in the 4-hour time frame. If we look at XRP, it's going to have a similar type deal. You can see you could be looking subtle differences, but the same sort of a upper bear flag type kind of form in there. Your first area of upper resistance is the 50-day moving average, and then you work your way up towards the 200-day, and that's something right in here in the thick of these moving averages. If we zoom into the 2-hour time frame, is what we need to be watching, and the 50 could be a sell signal. The 50 or the 100 in blue and red could force the price all the way back down for a regional double bottom and then a decision point, right? So we're going to watch out for that into these moving averages over the next few hours. And then if we ended out with a little XLM love on this quick afternoon update, as I've had a very busy day posting about severe weather in my weather page, and you're seeing it on here. Again, just like with the college football, if you don't want to watch those, you don't have to. They're going to be labeled accordingly, right? And then if you look here, XLM has bounced off this 10 3/4 cent. And again, we're coming up to our first area of resistance, the 50. Our second area is the 200-day at about 10.8 cents. And then, or the 100-day, and then the 200-day at 11 cents, right? So I'll give you some more videos here in a little while. I got a bowling meeting to go to later on, right? Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love. Peace and love.